Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new hair tutorial. In today's video, we're collaborating with Curlsqueen. I'm sure you guys are very familiar with them on my channel because we've worked with them a few times. Our last video being the water jerry curl, where I couldn't refrain from saying the word beautiful. The hair was just beautiful. I didn't really know what else to say. I was just speechless. The hair was beautiful. So in today's video, we're using the water Kinky Coily. It's beautiful. This hair, oh my gosh. It has the definition once again. It has a heaviness to it that the other hair did not have. So it's probably a lot thicker. The curls are a lot smaller. I'm super excited to install it. The company did ask for a side part. I know I've given you guys a bunch of side parts these last few videos, but I mean, I think it's kind of the in thing at the moment. So we're going with a deep side part. I'm gonna attempt to do that. We've never actually done that on this channel. I'm gonna do things a bit different because I think that I'm going to, I like to try different techniques, you know, just to kind of switch things up. I think I'm gonna split my hair like halfway. And I don't think this is something I've ever done, where I I'm gonna put braids in the back, and then the hair in the top, I'll leave it out and blend it with my clip-ins. We've never done that before, but this is an attempt to make sure that this video is different from the others. We're still gonna get amazing results. So stick around and see how this turns out. Okay, y'all, let's install these clip-ins. I'm starting with a 4. And I am beginning a little higher up just so that we can have some air circulation. It's the summertime, it's extremely hot, and this is big hair. I'm going in with another 4. And this is a really cool hack. You guys should try it. No one will see what you have below that. I promise it will be camouflaged. I'm gonna close up this area with a 5. So I'm really just moving my hair around just to make sure that I have the coverage needed and that I'm placing the clips where they should be. We have 10 clips because 10 clips come in one set. One set is a full head. You can buy 2 if you would like, but I do feel 10 clips is more than enough. So now I'm placing another 5, and we're continuing with that curve. We want to be sure to place the clips around the parted area to try and kind of give an even look. But I will begin parting diagonally in the front of my hair. I kind of wanted some pieces hanging in my face. We've never done this before. We're working in the opposite direction. I have to say, we were a little worried about this hair texture because they didn't think that it would blend all that well with my hair, but it's blending seamlessly. This is 4A, 4B, by the way. So because there's no particular way of doing this, I'm just placing them as they fit. The first 2 clips that I placed were both 2. and I put those side by side. So that was like placing a 4. And then I've just been going throughout this area with 3s. And even though it may not be noticeable, just be sure that you have some leave out. I'm separating the hair for my leave out, and I have 2 clips left. So what I did was I just found some little spaces on the side just to ensure that it had the same amount of thickness as the other side. Okay, so I'm spraying my hair down, right? And in my mind, I'm thinking, I'm just gonna spray my hair down really well. I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna detangle, I'm gonna add my mousse, I'm gonna define the curls, and I'm gonna be done. But the mousse was not working. I kept spraying the hair, applying product, brushing the hair. Spraying the hair, applying more product, brushing the hair. And it was not doing what it needed to do. It just wasn't working. So I said, okay, maybe this hair needs a heavier product. Thankfully, I have the gel, just like my mousse from the same company. Oh my goodness, it just transformed this hair. This hair needed a heavier product to really define those curls and to get the look to really set. It was kind of like the mousse just, it couldn't define the curl. It couldn't really work through the hair the way that it needed to. So yes, once I started applying that gel, look at it. Look at it, guys. I was super excited at this point because I knew that my hair was going to turn out great. Of course, I had to go back in and define that part and make sure that I separated my leave out correctly. I must say, I was extremely impressed. So I wasn't really feeling the way that the first few sections looked. So I did go in and I redefined those areas, applied a little bit more product, redefined the curls, and I was very anal, making sure that each curl looked the way that I wanted it to look. Very detailed until I accomplished the look that I was going for. I went across some really stubborn areas like this area right here, just ensuring that my hair was blending really well with this hair. I had to apply just a little bit more product to this area so that my hair would kind of stick to it, so that we could kind of mimic the curl. And I used the end of my Demon brush and kind of curled it under like a curling iron so that it could add those little Shirley Temple curls at the ends that you see. It was super cute. And here we are. This is what you guys have been waiting for. This is after diffusing. I thought I might pick it out. Then I said, well, no, I'll stretch it with the dryer. That didn't really work, so I just used my hands. When all else fails, just use your hands. I did this little praying hands method that I've been doing forever. I do that on my own hair a lot of times. And I just kind of rub my fingers through it. All we really wanted to do was get rid of that cast and to really expose the curls in an unrelaxed way, because we love unruly hair. So we're just fluffing it up at this point, softening it up, continuing to soften it up. Not that it was hard, because that gel does not make the hair very hard. It just really defines the curl and makes them stick together. So yeah, the more you rub your fingers through it, the better it gets. And I'm almost to my final look. All we have to do is put the finishing touches on it, and our look is complete. Okay guys, so here's the completed look. It could actually dry a lot more in the back. but I'm really low on time now. We've been working on this for quite some time. But yeah, it turned out absolutely beautiful. And as the style continues to dry, you know, we'll have more control over placement and kind of moving things because it'll all draw up. You know how shrinkage goes. But yes, I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous and it looks totally different from the other 2 styles that I did. So mission accomplished. But thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial. Be sure to check out www.curlsqueen.com. Again, this hair is water kinky coily. If you guys are interested, it looks absolutely amazing. Yes, the curls are popping. And if anyone is interested, I use the Big Papa defining gel on this hair. Like, this hair loves it. Like, it did really good with defining the curls and a diffuser. Like, girl, you're welcome. All right, well, again, this is the look. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Bye.